different types of biogas plants are the batch type plant, continuous type, movable drum type, and fixed dome type. So in this, we are going to discuss about the batch type. In the batch type biogas plant are suitable where daily supply of raw materials are difficult to be obtained. A batch type biogas plant digester is filled, sealed and allow for sufficient time in the digester. After completion of the digestion, the residue is emptied and filled again. So this problem is overcome by the continuous type plants. So in continuous type plants, the supply of the gas is continuous and the digester is fed with biomass regularly. But whereas in the batch type, once it is closed and it has to be left for a continuous period. But here we are continuously biogas can be supplied. So in a continuous biogas plants may be a single stage, double stage or a multi-stage. So the digestion of the waste materials in a single digester is called as a single stage, and if it is made in a two stages it is called as a double stage. That is, if we use two digesters it is double stage. So according to the digester the number of stages is increased. So in double stages, acidogenic and methanogenic stage are physically separated in two chambers. In the first stage of acid is produced and only the dilute acids are supplied to the second chamber where biomethanization takes place and the biogas is collected from the second chamber. In a single chamber or in a single stage, this acidogenic and methogenic stages are carried out in the same chamber without any barrier. So this is the main difference of a single stage and the multi-stages. These plants are economic and simple biogas plants. However, the two-stage biogas plants are costlier and difficult in operation, and maintenance is also a problem. Here, in the most important features of these continuous type plants are gas production is continuous, retention period is less, and the less problems are compared to the batch type. And here the small digestion chambers are required. Now let us see the working of the movable drum type plants. So this is also called as a floating gas holder type biogas plant. Here in this diagram we can see the mixing pit which is situated above the ground level and the inlet pipe, and in the top of the diagram we can see the gas holder and the gas pipe where the gas can be collected, and on the right hand side we can see the outlet, and we can see the partition walls and the slurry inside here. So this plant consists of a digester built with bricks below ground level. Inlet pipe provided on one side for feeding slurry and an outlet on the other side for removing the digested slurry. A steel drum is fitted on the top to collect the gas, and this is called as gas holder. Up and down movement of the gas holder depending on the storage and discharge of gas and guided by a central guide pipe. So the gas holder is painted by an anti-corrosive paint at least once for a year. This plant supplies a gas at a constant pressure which can be adjusted by regulator. So this plant is developed by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute. The main advantages of movable drum type plants. So here the main advantage is that the constant pressure of the gas is constant. That is constant gas pressure, and there is no problem of gas leakages, and the production of the gas is also higher, and here the scum problem is less, and the pressure is naturally equalized, and there is no danger of mixing biogas and external air. Hence there is no danger of explosion. But there are some disadvantages in the movable drum type. Here the cost is higher, the